So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add crypto to your watch list here on the TradingView application. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. Now if you go ahead and take a look at my current watch list from previous videos, I have an index, I have a couple different stocks, I have a future, I have a Forex right here. If I wanted to add a Bitcoin or maybe Ethereum or whatever the case could be in regards to crypto, simply just go down to the bottom and press on Explore. Then where it says at the top Explore Markets, I would just slide this over in between ETFs and Forex. Just press on crypto right here. Now where it says crypto, you can go ahead and scroll whatever crypto you're looking for. So there's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, USD Coin, XRP, whatever the case could be, Cardano for this demonstration. I'll just press Bitcoin right here. Press on that, then go to the top right and press on the plus icon. Now it is now added to my watch list. If you wanted to go back and go to the bottom left, press on your watch list. If I were to scroll down, Bitcoin or whatever crypto that you selected is now added to your watch list. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to add crypto to your watch list here on TradingView. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.